You've been there before, traveling down the road for hours, tired, hungry, thinking about stopping and getting a bite to eat. Maybe some local cuisine. Well, on this day, we were fortunate and we found Lucy's Kitchen. Look, Lucy's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Breakfast and lunch.
And they're open. I wonder how many people named Lucy have stopped there and eaten.
Lucy's Kitchen. In Lucy's words, from Lucy's Kitchen. I was a single parent and worked away from home forever. I got tired of that and I just wanted to be closer to home, and I knew I had the space to start a business on my own property. I was driving through Bushland, Texas, headed to Canyon, Texas, when I spotted this old rundown snow cone stand. I pulled over and fell in love with it. It had a for sale sign on it. I called the owners and I told them I wanted it right away. This snow cone stand had no doors, no windows, nothing inside. I knew it had the potential, but it needed a lot of work. Lucy's Kitchen was established May of 2010. I turned this little snow cone stand into a little hut that was for to-go orders only and named it Lucy's Kitchen. This little kitchen became so popular that people visited me from all over the world and signed to the exterior with their name and where they were from. My community of Vega, surrounding areas, truck drivers, and school kids helped me turn my business into a successful one. With their help, I was able to save money and think about how I was going to grow my business more. My next move was to create a seating area for my customers so that they could sit down and eat comfortably. We expanded the business in 2018, and the new expansion was open to the public on July 5th, 2018.
From Lucy's Kitchen in Vega, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to make red chilaquiles Mexican style. Bye guys. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right. Good luck at school.
Thank you.
Is it okay if I video record you doing that?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Here we go. Spring.
Think he is.
Come over. here.
84.
Try 92.
92 years old. Hot
Here we go.
damn.
So, I mean, you gotta have the history to go program.
Yeah. Clothes spray. Yeah.
Cadillac Ranch is a public art installation and sculpture in Amarillo, Texas. The installation consists of 10 Cadillacs, 1949 to 1963, buried nose first in the ground. Installed in 1974, the cars were either older running, used, or junk cars, together spanning the successive generations of the car line and the defining evolution of their tail fins. Cadillac Ranch is visible from the highway, and though located on private land, visiting it by driving along the frontage road or entering the pasture by walking through an unlocked gate is tactically encouraged. In addition, writing graffiti on or otherwise spray painting the vehicles is now encouraged. And the vehicles, which have long since lost their original colors, are wildly decorated.
And I have no idea if this is still recording or not. I haven't. We got high. Oh yeah, and it won't be all shaky pudding.
You wouldn't happen to be the one driving that rig over there, are you?
No, that's pretty nasty.
Isn't it?
I wish I was.
We're gonna try to get a tour if we can.
That's slick.
Yeah.
Lucy, this is Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. Nice to meet you too.
We're gonna peruse.
This is sweet.
This was hard to find when I built this in 12. Today you see a lot of 4 steps, but
Yeah.
then you didn't. Painter night gun.
Hi.
Hi. Did you hear us out here talking?
I could, but I was kind of snuggled in my blanket.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm Brian. This
Hi,
is
Brian.
Lucy.
I'm Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. I'm Charlene.
Hi, Charlene.
Go ahead. They wanted to see the inside. So.
And he was saying it was okay if we video record while we're in here?
Go ahead. Open range this year didn't have a screen door.
Oh, okay.
And I thought, well, how dumb. So we found this. These are one of those you see on TV.
Yeah, that
But
magnet
wait,
together.
wait, if you
Nice.
order now, you get 2.
Yeah,
Go ahead,
nice.
go ahead.
Oh, yeah. I've got one of the white ones that they pulled out. They're half and they pulled out.
I have been drooling over this rig all
Well,
day.
it's not quite the way it should be because the slide's not out, but this is half.
Wow, dude.
Yeah.
And how long
So
did you
this
put
is-
this together?
3 years.
Oh, man.
And then when that slides out, the counter rolls over here in the kitchen.
Okay.
Nice.
So you have
Wow.
more room.
This
Yeah.
is really nice. Cause see, I was looking at this, talking about how.
But this is how we bought it now. You know, I mean, I didn't do nothing in
So,
here.
oh yeah, okay. So
That's
this
the
is.
cab. This actually was a window in the original
This is
camper,
fabulous.
Yeah.
and then this boot here is from the sleeper.
I
So
carry,
they
Okay.
actually
this
took the
comes,
sleeper
I
off
carry 2
and then
6-volt.
made it fit so the pull trailer could fit right up, and then they put the
Nice.
same boot in that.
Yeah.
the
So
sleeper.
so you have the access in and out.
Yes,
And
yes.
unlike the new Super Cs, where they have the rubber
All around the-
connection around it. Yeah. So the cab is moving differently
Yeah,
than.
yeah.
Yeah.
In
So.
fact, the first time we had parked and the boot was all twisted, and I said, "Oh my God, Gene, something's wrong."
Yeah.
So we thought it was something, one of the braces broke or something. And it was like, "Well, that's what it's supposed to do.
we
It's
don't have
supposed
a
to
TV.
flex."
Flex. Yeah. Nice.
We watch.
So this
We
is-
watch. Oh, I'm moving in.
Yeah.
Look at this shower. Our shower, if you look in the back, we have a sunroof on the back. That's where my head sticks up.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's so small here. And you already put the
Oh.
slide out on it.
Just that slide out.
Oh, you got a separate room. Okay. I mean, go on.
Oh,
Yeah, this
nice.
is sweet.
It works really, really
Get out
good.
your book.